So first I will select the first turn it into 25. Okay, 25, around 25. 25 and 25 is just nice.
It's just nice.
25 and 25. See, 25 and 25.
25.
Okay, 25 and 25, and then I make it black. Also. Okay.
Black. How, Papa? You're so genius.
Yeah, make it black. So now I'm selecting this. I want selecting the tree. So how this thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Ooh, look.
That's how
See, I'm holding the control key, right? I'm holding the control key.
Yeah.
I'm holding control key. Okay.
Is it now?
Still holding control key.
Baba, you make the trees underneath.
Yeah, it's very big. It's gonna be very huge. This one should. And then I go over here and I take 3, 2. Okay. Now next thing is that I go to I'm going to here
Christmas.
in the former bar, and then I type ran between 1 to 3, and then control enter.
Control enter.
Enter, yes. And then the next thing is that I go to home. I
Home.
choose condition column formatting.
You just
Choose
go
new
to home?
rules. Yes. Go to use format only cell that contain equals to
So,
1. Equal to 1, and then format, and then make it into orange. Say okay, and look. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, then wait, and then
let me try it.
and
Let
then
me
wait.
try.
No, later I
wanna
give
try.
you a try. You watch.
I wanna try now.
Okay. Format cell, change it equals to, and then after that, put 2. Type 2. Type 2. And then click on this format button. Click the format button. And then this time we want to use a color of
red.
Okay. I already red. Yes, red. Okay. Then click OK. Then you click OK. Ready? Wow! Okay. Now continue. Click on condition formatting.
Now green.
And then new rules. New
Do you
rules.
want
Yeah, new.
green up? Papa?
And then click format only cell that contain.
Papa, do you
Okay.
need
Then
green
choose
or Papa?
equals to
Papa, you need green or Papa?
green, no. Equals to. Put 3.
Equals
3.
to
Put 3.
What if I put 11?
No. Don't have. Yeah, go put there 3 first. Go put. Hey, wait. Go here. Click 3. You put 11, then you cannot see the 3. Click format. There you click green color. Any green color.
No, I don't
Green
want.
color. Because
I
it's the
want
Christmas
purple.
tree. You see now don't have the tree. No, the leaf. I must have the leaf. Okay. You want quicker leaf, ma? You want this green or this green?
I want this
This
very
way, ah?
dark one. How to make it more darker?
Okay. Here this one.
If you want white, it's up.
Then click OK. Ready?
I know.
Ready?
Ready.
Click. Okay. Ta-da! But wait. That's not all, right? Then I click on this, and then I go to custom. Over here, I'm going to put the
Email.
yeah. And look. See, and then I click. Okay. Wait. Gone. All the words gone. Next.
There was a
Next.
How to put the star? How to
Yeah.
put
Next.
Star?
Go to condition formatting.
Again.
Choose icon set. Where is the star?
I wanna go see.
Oh, you discover something new. You don't need to have a star. You can have something else, right? Yeah, you can have this.
No. I want the
Star.
This. Or else I want the star. Star is the sun ocean.
There you discover the star. If you want the star.
Yeah.
You want this? Okay. Yay! Then.
Happy Christmas.
Okay, then that's it. Done. So this is Christmas. But this Christmas tree, right, does not do like this. This one can move.
Can move.
This one cannot move.
You see, you can move.
See? How come can move already?
If you don't know, if you
Oh.
don't know, if you don't know, means you cannot simply
Okay,
say.
because I saw that. Because I stop at the end, right? It's the end. Then it will move. Okay. Now if I come here, let's the party begin. Then start moving, and not only that, I go to this one here, also moving. Whoa.
Wait, this thing I
Try.
this thing I actually just made is just like
Yeah,
a Titan
yeah.
drum and his head.
Yeah. So great. So how do I get it move right? Is that I go to ChatGPT, and then I give in a prompt called "Give me Excel VBA code to refresh Excel sheet every 1 second," and then I have this code. I just copy it and then paste it to, and then that's it. Yes, and thank you. Let's just say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas together. Come, let's say Merry Christmas, Happy Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.